gonna head to Elysian Park. It's the oldest park in Los Angeles, with the view of the Dodger Stadium and downtown LA. It's up there north. I get my own food. We're gonna go picnic there for an hour. That's gonna be it. Look at the view over here. The Dodgers is playing today, by the way. The Dodgers are playing today. We're heading to Elysian Park. You will see from up there. You will see the whole Dodger Stadium and downtown. Elysian. It says over there Elysian. This is the way to Elysian Park. We're here in we're heading to Elysian Park, folks. It says welcome to Elysian Park. I'm gonna park somewhere and then we're gonna walk. I'm gonna walk to this point where you can see the whole downtown and Dodger Stadium. We got the LA River here. I've always wanted to come to this place. I see it online, but it's my first time here. I was driving by. Look at this. It's pretty sick. With the downtown in the background. Wow. Look at this. Man, I'm glad I come across this. Wow. I was on my way to the Elysian Park. Wow, this is stunning. Wow. Next left. It's like I'm on top of this bridge here. And look at the here. I'm switching to wide view. Damn, it's stunning over here. With the view, it's epic. Today is gonna be packed here because the Dodgers is playing this team from Miami. Let's see if I can get myself with the background. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Downtown right there. Down here. I'm gonna get a time lapse, a quick time lapse. There you are, Elysian Park, Buena Vista, Midway, City of Los Angeles Recreation and Parks Department. We make LA a better place. Look at all the greenery here near Elysian Park. Get some cinematic shots, beautiful trees. From here, look at all the greenery behind me, all the flowers and stuff. This is the oldest park in Los Angeles.
Elysian Park is indeed one of the oldest parks in Los Angeles, established in 1886. Elysian Park is one of Los Angeles' oldest and largest parks. It covers about 600 acres and offers a mix of natural landscapes and recreational areas. The park provides stunning views of downtown LA and the surrounding area. It's a popular spot for hiking, picnicking, and enjoying nature. The park also includes attractions like Dodger Stadium, which is located within its boundaries.
Keep on walking towards this viewpoint right there. We can see all the whole downtown and the Dodger Stadium. We made it. This is Elysian Park, I guess. They get a field over there, the baseball field. See that? What's on the other side right there, you will see right now. It's the Dodger Stadium and downtown LA in the background. Let's get to the end of the park. Should be right here. They have this public bathroom. I mean, they have like a playground right there for kids. Just to record. I smell barbecue. Well, you can come here and barbecue too. Let's see. If you get tables, you can come picnic here. I forgot my food in the car. See right here. Hell yeah, that's a nice area, dude. What else they get? Yep, you get tables. I think they have a fire pit here. Yeah. See that? You can come and barbecue over here. Check it out. What is this? I think you can grill like some chicken over here, or do some rotisserie chicken. All right. So this is what it is right here. Let's get to the end, and they have bathrooms over there. So they get the bathrooms. So this is a view of the Dodger Stadium somewhere over here. I think it's at the end right here. This is kind of a local park. Not that many people know about this place. But your boy is technically a local, so just keep recording before the GoPro dies. Oh, it's right here. There we go, we made it. So they have a playground, and you will see the view from here is stunning. Let's see if I'm recording. I'm recording, good. I wonder what is this for. It looks like for rotisserie chicken or something. It looks like it. Yeah. Alright. Back here at the Dodger Stadium at the Elysian Park. I'm shooting a 5K on this GoPro, so it should be good. The view from here is next level. You will see right now. Probably the best view in LA. And the Dodgers are playing today. Let's see. Just film.
No, we will get a free drink to be in person now.
See what I'm talking about? You cannot zoom with the GoPro. That's the Dodger Stadium right there. That's downtown. Yeah, they have a game today. I'm gonna switch to a different mode real quick. Right there, that's downtown, and right there, Dodger Stadium. I was gonna go to the game. It's only $40 for the tickets, but by the way, if you go to a Lakers game, it's like minimum like $190 and like $200 for a ticket. But if you can go to watch the Dodgers game for like fucking $40, it's not that expensive compared to the Lakers. I mean, the Lakers are more popular. obviously the Lakers are like worldwide like known, but the Dodgers, I mean, their hats are popular all over the globe. So I might fly the drone actually from here. Look at the greenery. Wow. So this is Elysian Park, folks, right there. Okay. Sick. I don't know if you can hear the music. Actually, this is a game at 7. What time is it right now? It's like 5 in, yeah. They have a game. They playing this team from Miami. My hair is all over the place with these shades. Anyways, when I fly the drone, that's what it is. This is Elysian Park. I came from downtown. I'm gonna include some drone shots. Probably the video will be long, but it is what it is. You cannot get a short video coming from downtown, like hiking up here and then ending up here. I bet you this is the best view ever. We're gonna get a drone shot. I'm gonna wrap up the video. I might go watch the game. They still like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not a big fan of baseball, to be honest. I don't watch baseball. It's kind of like boring, to be honest. I like basketball because they always score, so it's fun to watch. And the Lakers are playing Game 5. Like, I think the Lakers are playing on Wednesday. They playing the. I mean, they lost 3 games to 1. If they lose the next game, they're out of the playoffs. So. And I'm wearing a Lakers hat, so we're representing the Lakers, right there. Let's get a drone shot.
Viaduct, also known as the 6th Street Bridge, connects Los Angeles' Boyle Heights to the Arts District. Opened in July 2022, it replaced a 1932 bridge. Designed by architect Michael Maltzan, it features illuminated arches and spans the LA River and major freeways.